Hey everyone, Mike Sherry with Paul Sherry Used Cars. Today I'm out test driving this really nice 2017. This is a Toyota Tundra, which is their full-size pickup truck. It's got the big cab in it, what I would call the crew cab. It is in the Barcelona red, which is just stunning. And it is the platinum trim level, which is the top luxury trim level for the Tundra. It is four-wheel drive, does have the V8, which is a 5.7 liter in these Tundras. Runs out really good. It's a one-owner vehicle, local trade-in, bought a new Jeep Wrangler actually. Front windshield looks clear. I don't see any major cracks or anything. Front hood, I like how they kind of got this over large hood air vent scoop there. That's pretty cool. This front parking sensor up here. Headlights are nice and clear. Has under 35,000 miles. We'll get the exact miles when we get in there. Alloy wheels here. These are 20-inch. Chrome backing of the mirrors there, as you can see here. Chrome tube Toyota step bars. Definitely a high quality step bar. Look how big these doors are. It's a huge cab in these, which means you get a lot of space in here. What's nice about this is these seats will fold up, so this can be inside cargo space when you don't need it for seating. Seats are definitely premium leather. Air vents, power port back here. Come around to the back. It is four-wheel drive, like I mentioned. There's the badging. Has parking sensors in the rear bumper. Has a towing receiver, a 2-inch towing receiver in your applicable wiring. You have your 4-pin for your smaller trailers and 7-pin round for your bigger stuff. Now that 7 round is hooked into the factory brake controller, which I'll show you when we get inside. That also has your backup camera, has the dampening tailgate, has a nice Tundra rubber mat here to protect the bed. And then up here, it also has a Toyota tonneau cover there. It's a tri-fold, it's a hard tonneau cover, and it folds up in 3 sections there. Now financing is available on this Toyota Tundra. Our internet gurus have created a website that a lot of our customers take advantage of, so I'm just going to post a quick link down below. So if you got financing questions, check out that link and that'll get you in the right spot there, save you a lot of time as well. Fuel fill over here on the driver's side. I know a lot of you appreciate that. Check out the inner workings of the frame and stuff. Everything looks nice and clean, no major rust. A little dimple there, nothing major. Has the blind spot monitoring, turn signal in the mirror there as well. So we come in, it does have memory seats, power locks and power windows. Power driver's seat with a 2-way power lumbar. The seat itself looks nice. I don't see any rips or anything like that in it. And as we come in, go ahead and hop in here. Let me turn the air down, or the heat down today. We got 34,886 miles on it. No warning lights on the dash, as you can see here. Power mirrors. Does have that blind spot monitoring when you turn it on or off. This here is going to be power window for that rear window. I'll show you that when we get back to looking at that. This will control your center cluster, has Bluetooth connectivity so you can talk on your phone hands-free. A little volume here for your radio. Radio does have a CD player. It is a touchscreen radio with Sirius XM, regular FM, and AM capabilities. This also has, let's go into the apps, does have factory navigation as well. Now there's dual zone heat and air conditioning. It is an automatic system. Does have cooled seats and heated seats up front here. If you look at the seats, there's perforations in the insert part of the seat that allows that cool air to come up and cool you down on that hot day. You got full power, you got 12-volt power, USB, aux port, spot for your phone. You can put it there. I also like this little spot over here. 3 beverage holders up here, 6-speed automatic transmission. And also put your phone in there. Nice deep compartment there. Does have an opening skylight here. Let's see here. Look at that. The whole back window. Can you see that? The whole back window comes down. No other truck that I know of does that. That's cool. I did pull up the history report. Let me get this in my hand here. Looks like a 1-owner vehicle, like I mentioned. Never been in an accident. Scores 96 out of 95, so above everyone else. All around nice, clean Toyota Tundra. So if this is what you've been looking for, won't find one nicer for the year and the money. Programs up here for your garage door openers. Compass in the mirror. Very nice. All right, well, I thank you for hanging out with me today. This has been my review on this Toyota Tundra. I hope it helps you in your purchasing decision. That's why we do these videos. So give us some feedback. Let us know what you think. And thank you for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.